Well, hello everyone. A bunch of you guys asked, how did I make the feet to turn my fruit plushies into Amuseables? So we're going to try and do a tutorial. It's been a while since I've done one, so bear with me. I am using Parfait Chunky in almond butter because it is not so dark or so light that you won't be able to see what I'm doing. And a 5mm hook. And then I'll just need some scissors. So let's just jump right in and make a leg or foot for our Amuseable. Now I start with a chain 2, but you can certainly do magic ring if that is what you prefer. And then we're going to put 6 single crochets into our chain 2 or magic ring. Okay, so we have 6. I do yarn under. Then round 2 is increase times 6 to end up with 12 stitches. Okay, we have 12. Now we're going to do 12 single crochets for round 3. Oops. Okay, so I have 12. You should look something like this now. So round 4, it is 3 single crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3. Then 3 decreases, invisible decreases. That's 1, 2, 3, and then 3 single crochets. Okay, so you should be looking something like this now. So round 5, we're going to do 2 single crochets, 3 decreases, and 1 single crochet. So at this point, you could stuff this part of the foot if you want. It is not necessary, but you can do it if you want. And if you choose to do so, you're going to want to stuff it very lightly. Like, this is probably too much. And I still have that much left out of that little bit I brought over. I usually don't use the polyfill. Sometimes I do, just depends. So now we want to do 2 rounds of 6 for a total of 12 single crochets. Okay, that is 12. Now, if you need a longer leg, you can add more rounds of 6. So you want it to end over to the side so that the toe is going to point upward. And then if you aren't where you need to be to get it to land right, you add or remove. I usually add. I'm going to add 2. And then I'm going to single crochet the 2 sides together. It's 1, 2, and 3 with 3 single crochets. I sew mine on. If you're going to crochet them in, you do not need a long tail. But if you're going to sew it on, you're going to leave yourself a long enough tail to attach this to your little fruit or whatever, little plushie. But this is how I do my little feet. Piece of cake.